NASDAQ, where you get the best dope on the markets. What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about the grain stock report here. What is it, 10:58? I am Alan Palmer, your human floor local, ex-floor local. Trading floors are gone. Let's jump over to the softs here for 1 second here. We're going to have the grains coming out here. This is what the stocks report is. This is what's left over in the bins when they inventory it. It can be a wild number in September. I have RFK in the background here. They got some kind of announcement on Pfizer. As a matter of fact, let's just see. Here, this is, let's just look at cotton here. This is going to be kind of like today's wrap here. We're going to go through some ag markets. We're going to go through ag markets, but I'll put up this Pfizer here. Because Pfizer makes 75%. They sell, what is it, 4%, and then make 75% of their products in the U.S., you know? Oh, by the way, tomorrow, OC1, they are going to fly the Chinese Communist Party flag over the Capitol in Philadelphia. Yes, United States. No, not one of the churches in the Bible. Not that Philadelphia. So here we got a couple of these little olive lines here. You can see here, okay, they'd be live right here, down to green. Okay, you can see that was sloppy. Green here, and then you come down to an orange, and then you come down to an orange for, what is this, 4 or 5 days? Okay, and then here you got what is this? That's a daily chart, yesterday's low, okay, within a tick of the thin olive. Here you got another olive down here, and over here, this means it's long-term, longer-term olive, okay, so for something else. Uh-oh, I think we just came out. All right. Here's corn here down, what do we got? Down 6.5 here. This number just came out. It's 11 o'clock and 50 seconds here. Beans, you get a little bounce here. We got some tiny olive lines here, 10.03. You know, under here, 9.97 is next. And here's a little look on the downside. We did have some small olives up here. I have left them back up here. Here's wheat down 7 cents here on the number. What's bean oil doing? Look at this. Okay, so here's bean oil here. And for 3 bars here today, we hung right around here at this, oh, look at that. You know, there was a symbol right there. I just wrote that in my market comment, 49.52, okay? Down below here, 48.85 here. But this is the same thing. Green support, orange support. This is what I send out to clients. If you want to be a client, or you think, you know, if you can trade on your own, and you're just like, I need some levels, you know, and I don't get a lot here. This will be a long-term trend line. Here it plays on the low. You got a green right around it. Here it's snaking back and forth, but here it's a low. Here it's a high. Okay, we gap lower. Here it was a high, and then we come down here today. This is yesterday. Okay. All right, so it is almost 1 o'clock, 12:57 here. This is a final glance here at the grains. So bottom left here, we just have the beans here down 9 cents here. This is after the grain stock number. Here we got a little rally here. This was the number in the corn, 91,000 here. This is on a intraday, and this would be a very interesting level if we got over here. I think that I don't know if we're ready now, but over 420 here, because we kind of have some head and shoulder breakouts to the downside here. You can see here, there's head and shoulders over here. Just trust me on this. Okay, and so now we're breaking out here. We'll see how much the funds want to sell this corn here. At the same token, we have some this area over here on some old lows here, a head and shoulders bottom here. So let's just go, let me just touch on the wheat here. Wheat down 2%, 11.5 cents here. Just give you a downside look here, down below here. Under $5 is my next level here. And then this is gold, this is silver over here. Silver, you know what, here, look at this. We have this rally, and then a break in a couple bars, and then we just kind of sit there sideways for the rest of the day. This was crude oil here. Let me just touch on this here. Last week here, this would be a way you look at these numbers here. See this light green right here, and then here's the red. Okay, and then the other green would be down here. In any event, this light green here was last week's high, Tuesday, Monday. This was Friday's high actually here, so 65.76 here. We just got down to here, right here, 61.65 here. That was a $4 break here in 3 days, Friday, Monday, and a Tuesday. So let's call this a wrap here. Let me just touch on bean oil here. I'm sorry, soybean meal here. This is multi-year lows, and here is the bean oil here. Okay, this area right here, this is orange. There's thin olive and the thick olive down below here. We keep struggling here, playing here for the first 3 hours into the report. You got an outside down bar, and here we are late in the day. So if you need something, give me an email, ARP@NAS. Whoops, that's the wrong one. NASDOG.com. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.